These are 4 extremely common cat toxicities that every cat owner should be warned about. Number 1 is acetaminophen or paracetamol, Tylenol, depending where you live, it's going to have a different name. All versions of it are toxic to cats. So for us, this is like your standard day-to-day pain medication. We assume it to be very safe. For cats, it is not at all the case. A tiny bit for them is extremely toxic. It can cause breakdown of the red blood cells. They can become lethargic. They can even die in severe cases because of such a severe breakdown of red blood cells. Never use Panado, paracetamol, acetaminophen as a pain medication for cats. Never. Next is garlic and onions. So this is going to be quite controversial because I know a lot of you will use garlic as a natural tick and flea repellent. And yes, it can be used at that, but at higher doses, just like with onions, it can cause breakdown of red blood cells. I would avoid using both of these ingredients in cats and dogs, period. Next is your anti-inflammatories like ibuprofen, Disprin, aspirin. These are, again, for us, very normal medications, but for cats, they can cause severe reactions. They can cause bleeding into the gut and they can cause kidney failure. Even like a half a pill is that dangerous. So be careful to keep your anti-inflammatory drugs in a safe place away from your pets. Next is lilies. So this is such a beautiful plant and it is so commonly used in your floral arrangements. That's how it gets into your house. But every bit of this plant is toxic to your cat, from the pollen to the water that this plant is kept in. It causes acute kidney failure and it can be deadly. So make sure that you do not keep this plant in your house. Just avoid it in general.